I may have failed being a good husband. But gusto ko lang na I cannot fail on two points. I have to be a good father. I think somehow I have succeeded. Hindi lang masyado, not really successful. We have our ups and downs and the idiosyncrasies of, alam mo, it's that separate entity yung malaki na. Hindi na maniwala, may sarili silang pangisip. You have to adjust and adjust. But in the eyes of the father, a daughter or a son, whatever the age, would always be a child. So, maski katanda na yung mga anak ko, in the eyes, in my eyes, they would still be small children that I have to take. And I said, I've repeated this statement over and over again. I love my children more than life. Ano mang dyan, minsan gano'n na lang ang trails ng tatay.